Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to set Cloudflare DNS. First, go to your Cloudflare account. Once in, click on the Add Site button at the top right. Here, you need to add your domain. Once done, click Continue. Then, select your plan. You can choose the free one if you'd like, and click Continue. Now, it's time to set up your DNS records. Go to your domain provider and open Hosting Plans. Here, you will see your IPv4 and IPv6 addresses that you will need for your DNS setup. Copy the IPv4 first. Then, head back to Cloudflare. Click Add Record. For IPv4, we need an A record, so select it as the type. For the name, type @ Then, paste the IP from your domain provider. Once done, click the Save button. Next, we will add another record. Go back to your provider and copy the IPv6. Then, return to Cloudflare and click Add Record. For IPv6, the type that corresponds to it is AAAA, so select it. For the name, type @ Then, paste the IP you copied. Once done, hit Save. Finally, we need to add a CNAME record. Click Add Record. Select CNAME as the type www for the name, and use @ for the target. Once done, hit Save. After adding your records, click Continue. Now, we need to change the name servers. Go back to your domain provider and open DNS settings, where you can update the name servers. Then, go to Cloudflare and copy the name servers provided. Paste both in your domain provider and hit Save. Return to Cloudflare and click Check Name Servers. Then, hit Continue. Here, click Get Started. For automatic HTTPS rewrites, toggle it on and click Save. Then, leave Always Use HTTPS off and save it. For Broadly, keep it on and click Save. For the last step, click Finish. Now, you will see that your DNS is pending because it may take some time to update. But that's just basically it. That's how you set up DNS in Cloudflare. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.